Okay, Jane. Jane, what'd you say? What'd you say these were? What'd you say these were? Did you say they were wonderful?
Yeah.
Are they beautiful? You said.
Tell the camera about the.
Tell the camera what you said.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Yeah. Say thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Okay. Open your other stuff.
I'll open this one.
Okay. Open it
Tear
up.
the paper.
Rip it up. Bust it up.
Find an edge and tear the paper.
Yeah.
Oh, I bet you're pretty good at it.
Yeah, you have to go really hard, don't you?
What is it?
I don't know what's in there.
Paper.
Ah, yeah. Pull the paper off.
There's a box.
You need scissors, please? Here, hold on. Mommy, can you film? Very good. Get the paper off.
What's in there, Jane?
You don't know.
I think you should.
Oh my gosh, it's a gigantic ladybug.
It's a pillow pet.
Oh.
A ladybug pillow pet. Wow. He flies. Look at that. Can you put your head on it and say, ooh, that's cozy. Put your head on it. It's a pillow.
That cozy.
You put it on your head and said that's cozy.
Very nice. You want to open Eloise's, Jane?
Okay.
Okay, here, open this one.
It'd be better from that angle if you could see her face.
Okay.
Or if she wanted to turn around.
That's what I'm trying
Can you open it?
here. Stand right here and open. Okay, open it from right here.
There you go.
Oh, you got it. You're a champ. You did it. Well, you just got the bow off. What's in there? You need scissors or you need strong hands? Yeah, you need strong hands. Oh, look, Eloise got a pillow pet too.
Another pillow pet?
What kind did she get? It looks like a dog.
Do those look like
sure.
wings? That's
You
a
know,
tag.
it's a tag. It comes off. So soft, isn't it?
Janie, can you say thank you, Grandpa and Jana?
Look at the.
Put your head on it.
Say, ooh, cozy.
Ooh, cozy.
Yeah.
Good job.
All right.
Is it awesome? Janie, which one do
Oh, yeah,
you
opened it.
which one do you like better, the puppy dog or the ladybug? The
Ladybug?
ladybug.
Excellent choice. Excellent choice.
Awesome. Thank you.
Good job.